Hey, hello. Welcome back to my channel. And these readings are for the week of July 21 to 27. So let's start. Scorpio, my advice for you is to get yourself some alone time. It's time for self-love. Yes. You've heard it a lot of times sa mga readings ko, self-love, self-love. Yeah, but this time, yes, kailangan mo talaga ng rest, ng relaxation. And I think it would be a good time for you to go back sa past mo and get bits and pieces of, memories that brought you joy. Kasi with those memories, yung mga points na naging masaya ka, makakabuo ka ng plan, ano yung magandang next step for you, na parang mas magiging successful ka doon sa plan na yon. Okay? It can be, plan for your love life, for your career, any aspect. But my advice for you lang talaga is really to rest, be alone first, not too much, 'di ba? Just this week, just this coming week, and by the end of next week, I think mukhang maging okay ka na. Yes, and this has been your reading for this week. Next week, balik ulit kayo. Abangan ninyo yung next na reading natin. And like, subscribe, follow me here on TikTok and on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.